Hi guys, this is Aman and again we are back with another set of questions which are asked in lower PCS exams, and these questions are based on Uttar Pradesh special. So we will look all the questions one by one. Let's begin with the first question. First question is, which of these districts of the state of Uttar Pradesh does not share its border with Nepal? Look at the options. Option A Pilibhit, option B Shravasti, option C Sitapur, option D Maharajganj. The right answer is option C Sitapur. Sitapur doesn't share its border with Nepal. While remaining other districts like Pilibhit, Shravasti and Maharajganj, these districts shares border with Nepal. Look why this question becomes important. Look, all the neighboring states of UP and country are very important, while all the districts which are neighboring, which are the bordering districts of the Uttar Pradesh are very important. There are total 7 districts which shares border with Nepal, and these districts are Pilibhit, Lakhimpur, Bahraich, Shravasti, Balrampur, Siddharthnagar and Maharajganj. Look, the maximum districts of Uttar Pradesh shares border with Madhya Pradesh, while there is only one district in UP which is Sonbhadra. That district shares border with 4 different states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Bihar. So bordering districts and bordering states and countries are very important from exams point of view. Look at the next question. Which of these districts of Uttar Pradesh lies on the UP-Bihar border? Options are option A Basti, option B Bulandshahr, option C Banda, option D Balia. The right answer is option D. Balia is also the westernmost district of Uttar Pradesh. There are other districts which shares border with Bihar, and these districts are Sonbhadra, Mirzapur, Chandauli, Gazipur, Balia, Kushinagar. While Banda shares border with Madhya Pradesh, not Bihar. Bulandshahr and Basti, these two districts doesn't share border with any state. Look at the next question. Which city in Uttar Pradesh is called Suhag Nagari because it is famous for making glass bangles? Option A Firozabad, option B Gorakhpur, option C Varanasi, option D Bareilly. The right answer is option A Firozabad. Firozabad is known for making glass bangles, while Gorakhpur is known for making clay toys. Varanasi is famous for producing silk sarees, and Bareilly is famous for bamboo cultivation and jewelry. Look at the next question. Which part of Uttar Pradesh is famous for the delicately embroidered sarees called chikankari sarees? Options are option A Muradabad, option B Lucknow, option C Meerut, option D Prayagraj. The right answer is option B. Lucknow is famous for producing chikankari sarees. Muradabad is known as Pital Nagari, which is famous for brass. Meerut is famous for producing sports goods, while Prayagraj is famous for producing guavas. Look at the next question. Name the poet and the sant who wrote Ramcharitmanas, another version of Ramayana. Options are option A Ravidas, option B Surdas, option C Kalidas, option D Tulsidas. The right answer is option D Tulsidas. Tulsidas, who wrote Ramcharitmanas in Avdi language. Originally, it is written in Sanskrit language and which is written by Ved Vyas, while other options like Ravidas and Surdas, these are the Bhakti saints which are in medieval time. Ravidas was born in Banaras, Surdas was born in Western UP. He was a devotee of Lord Krishna, while Kalidas was a great poet in the court of Chandragupta Vikramaditya II in Gupta era. So Bhakti saints and poets becomes quite important from exams point of view. Look at the next question. Next question is, which of the tiger reserve is situated in Uttar Pradesh? It is asking about the tiger reserves in Uttar Pradesh. Options are option A Sarishka, option B Amangarh, option C Jim Corbett, option D Panna. The right answer is option B Amangarh. Amangarh Tiger Reserve is in Bijnor district of Uttar Pradesh, while there are total 4 tiger reserves in Uttar Pradesh, and these are Dudhwa National Park, Amangarh Tiger Reserve, Pilibhit Tiger Reserve and Ranipur Tiger Reserve. Look, there is only one national park which is in Uttar Pradesh, and that national park is Dudhwa National Park. So tiger reserves, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries becomes very important. Look at the next question. Which is the largest district in terms of population of Uttar Pradesh as per census 2011? Options are option A Prayagraj, option B Kanpur, option C Ghaziabad, option D Lucknow. The right answer is option A. Prayagraj is the largest districts in terms of population as per census 2011. So 2011 census is very important from exams point of view. It provides various states and indicators which are very important. Look at the next question. Chalk drawings or red drawings by primitive men are extensively found in the districts of Uttar Pradesh. Options are option A Meerut, option B Mirzapur, option C Varanasi, option D Banda. The right answer is option B Mirzapur. Look, Mirzapur and Sonbat, these two districts are very important because maximum chalk drawings or paintings which were found, and these paintings and drawings are generally found in the districts of Mirzapur and Sonbhat. So these districts are very important. Look at the next question. Watites and Andalusite are found in which districts of Uttar Pradesh? Options are option A Lalitpur, option B Prayagraj, option C Sonbhadra, option D Mhow. The right answer is option C Sonbhadra. Sonbhadra is a district where maximum minerals in Uttar Pradesh are found. It is the district which is known as the energy capital of India. It is known for producing coal and various metals. While Lalitpur is famous for producing uranium, Prayagraj is known for producing sand which is used in making glass, while Mhow is famous for sand. Look at the last question. The question is, in Uttar Pradesh, which site has been designated as a Ramsar site? Options: option A Parvati Aranga, option B Sur Sarovar, option C Surahatal, option D all the above. The right answer is D all the above. Look, there are total 13 Ramsar designated sites in Uttar Pradesh, and these are sites which are largest number after Tamil Nadu. In India, maximum Ramsar sites are in the state of Tamil Nadu. After Tamil Nadu, maximum Ramsar sites are in Uttar Pradesh. Look, Parvati Aranga is an Ramsar site. It is in Gonda district, while Sur Sarovar it is in Agra district. Surahatal it is in Balia district. So Ramsar designated sites, wildlife sanctuaries and national parks are quite important from exams point of view. So what we must have focus on which topics like Ramsar sites, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries are very important, while mineral producing districts are very important, while the famous sons and ports from UP, these are quite important, while the census 2011 is very important. Thanks.